Right. So good morning, all of you. Can you hear me right? So we'll start now. List of functions, guys. We start now. List of functions. List of functions. Okay. Right. So in the list of functions, some of the functions are length, then count, and then index. Length, count, and the index functions. So here, these three we already used in the string also. This is already used in the string also. But again, we will see now, length function is used to find the number of elements in the list, number of elements in the list. And the count function is used to count the number of occurrences, occurrences of specific elements in the list. So the length means to find the number of elements, total number of elements. Count means to count the number of occurrences of specific element. Okay. And then index function. Index means what here? To find the index number of specific element. Index number of specific element. Like this, we use these three functions. Now I'll open ideally. We'll see now. Right. So first one, we'll take the one list, something 10, 20. I take the duplicates also, guys. Okay, all of you. I'm taking like this, right? The length of list, how many are there? Right, totally 8 elements, right? 8 elements are there, guys. Totally 8 elements are there. Okay, that's length function. Then in the list, I'm going to count number of tens. Count function means to find the number of occurrences of the specific element. Means how many times this is repeating. How many times 10 is repeating here? How many times? 2 times. So the answer is 2. The answer is 2. List to dot. Suppose count of, I'll take 20. How many times 20 repeating? 2 times. Okay. List dot count of true. How many times true repeating? Only 1 time. Like that. List dot count of, for example, false. How many times false repeating here? How many times false repeating here? No times, right? It's not there. At least 1 time also not there. Means 0. That means what? 0. 0 means not there. Not repeating at least 1 time also. This is what here which function? Count function. The index function. List dot index of, what is the index number of 10? Index number of 10. Actually, we have 2 tens in the given list. We have 2 tens in the given list. So by default, the index function finds the index number of first occurrence only. The 10 is available 2 times. First time, second time. So for first occurrence only to find the index number, guys, by default. So 0. List dot index of, I'll take for 30. What is the index number of 30? So 30 also available 2 times, but it find the index number of the first occurrence only. Means what's number here? 2 like this. Sir, I want to find the index number of second occurrence of index number of third occurrence like that. For that, we can make our own programming that we see in advanced Python. List dot index of suppose true. For true, what is the index number? For true, index number. Okay, index number of true. List dot index of, I'll take the 1. For one index number. For one index number. Actually, here 1 is not there, right? 1 is not there, but the true is also equal to what here? 1. In Python, true equal to 1, 1 equal to true. And false equal to 0, 0 equal to false, right? So means it gives index number of true only. True means one, right? Both are same. All right. So this is what here length count index functions. Length count under index functions. Okay. Right. So next one, same, we know max function is there, min function is there, some functions are there. Max, min, sum. Max means what here? It will return the highest number from the list. Min means it returns the least number from the list. Sum means the sum of all the numbers. Sum of all the numbers. So take here max of list. In the list, what is max value? But observe here, in this list, we have string value also. The string value we cannot compare with the integer values, right? The string value cannot compare with the integer values, right? Okay. That's why in the list, only numbers must be there, not the string, because we cannot compare string with the numbers, right? Okay. So that's why I will take here a list with all numbers only, like this, no problem. So list max of list, list, right? But the highest number 30. Next one, min of list, Which one? True. True means what? One, right? One is the list number. Then sum of list. Sum means what? The total number, guys. Let me know what is the total sum here. Hello. Right. How much now? 121. 121, guys. 121. Okay. So max min sum. Next one, let's see here how to add the elements to list, how to remove the elements from the list, because list is mutable, right? List is mutable object. We can add the elements, we can remove the elements. Adding means like append function, okay? Append, next extend function, and then insert function, guys. Append, extend, insert function. These three for adding purpose. For remove purpose, remove function is there, pop function is there, clear function is there for deleting the elements. These three for adding the elements in the list, and these three for remove the elements from the list. Okay, let's see now one by one. First, append function is there. What's first function? Append function. So append function means to add only one element, at the end of list. At the end of a list means append function is used to add only one element at the end of list also, not in the beginning, not in the middle. At the end of list only, that also only one element will add, only one, not more than one. Right? Let's try now. I'll take here one list. Suppose I'm taking now 10, 20, 30. Now in the list, I'm going to append suppose 5. I'm going to append 5. The 5 will add automatically at the end of list only. At the end of list, the 5 will not go to beginning because of sorting order 5, 10, 20, 30 order. No. So whatever value you give here, either it is the value or a float value, string value, whatever value, it goes by default end of list only. End of a list. You can see now print of list here. Print of list, you can see now the 5 came at the end of list automatically here. Right? Okay. Let me try different multiple values. For example, append of. I am trying here. Suppose adding 1, 2, 3. I am adding the elements 1, 2, 3. Means total how many elements are there here? Totally 3 elements are there. Means in append function we are passing the 3 arguments. 3 arguments, right? It is not allowed, guys. Append allows only 1, not 3. You can see now saying that append takes only 1 argument, but how many given? 3 are given. How many given? 3 are given. Okay, now what do I do to make this all as one element? I'll make in the square brackets like this. Then it will work as a again sublist. Work as sublist and add as a one sublist. Again, one sublist. So print of lst, print of lst, you can see now. One sublist that also came at the end of list again. Previously, what is the last one? 5. So after 5, now this all adding as a one sublist. All adding as a one sublist here. One sublist like this. Means at a time only one element adding. That element can be either int, float, bool, complex string, or list, or tuple, etc. Whatever it is. Only one adding here. That is what append function. Which function? Append. So append, why we use element now? Append to add only one element at the end of list. At the end of list. Next, extend is there. To add one or more elements. Again, where at the end of list only again. Append means by default only one. By default only one. But extend means we can add either one element or more elements, guys. Right? Generally, to add one element, we use append. To add multiple, we can use what? Extend, guys. Generally. Okay, but extend can do both. Adding one, adding more. Okay. Let me try one example here. So I'll take the one list. I'll take the one list to suppose 10, 20, 30 like this. So listed dot extend of. So mainly extend for adding multiple elements. So we should take within the square brackets. We take it in the square brackets. If we take it in the square brackets also, it does not add as a sublist. Like previously, when I take the square brackets, it added as a sublist, right? But not like that now. It takes as individual elements only, individual. I am giving suppose 5 or any one number, or I am giving suppose some string like this A. Then you can observe now. So print of list, right? Print of list, see. The A added as a normal string element, not as a sublist of A, right? All of you. So one adding over. Now let me try adding multiple elements now. List to dot extend of thin square brackets again. I'll take again 20, 30, or I'll take again 2 like this. I'm adding multiple. These all will add as a individual elements, not as a sublist of 10, 20, 30, 2. No, not sublist. All will add as a individual elements, guys. You can see now. You can see. But if you observe, previously A came at the end of list. Now this multiple also came at the end of list. Means extend also will add the elements at the end of list only. The similarity between append and extend, what here? What is similarity? Both adding at the end of list. What is difference? Append only one adding, extend adding one or more elements. That is difference. All of you observe. All of you observe. So append adding only one element. Append. But extend adding one or more element. That is the difference. What is similarity? Both thing adding at the end of list only. There is difference between append and extend. Okay. So here both adding at the end of list only. Okay. But I want to add in the middle, sir. I want to add in the middle. I want to add in the beginning. Or I want to add at required place. At a required place, then how? If I want to add at required place, then how? Then we go for what? The next one, that is the insert function, guys. Which function? Insert function is also used to add only one element at a required place, at required position based on the specified index number, based on the specified index number, Okay. So insert also is used to add only one element only, but at required place, guys. That depends on the index number. Depends on the index number. Okay. Let us try now. Let us try here. List, I'll take here something 10, 20, 30, 40 like this. List dot insert of list dot insert of suppose I am giving a 1 comma something 50, 1 comma 50, right? So what does it mean here? So see, right now in the input index numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, right? That is what index numbers of given list. Now 1 comma 50 means 1 comma 50 means in the result list, result list. So first 0 means which one? 10 only. Next 1. Now actually at 120 is there. At 120 is there, but at 1 I want to add 50 like this. And the next continuation, 20 will come, 30 will come, 40 will come like this. Alaf, right? So actually, see 0 means same 10 only. But at 1, I want to insert what here 50. At 150 inserting, guys. Actually at 1, what was there previously? 20 was there. But at 1 now, 50 inserting, and remaining all will come as it is. Just remaining all will come as it is here. So for remaining all, the index number will change. Actually, previously at 120 is there. Now the 20 came at which position now? 2, right? So 2, this is 0, this is 0, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, like this index numbers currently. Okay. Now let me take here print of list. Print of list, you can see now 50 added the inserted at the index number 1 position. Next one, list dot insert of at index number 3. I'm going to add a true. I'm going to add a true. Index number 3. At index number 3, I'm going to add true. So means 0, 1, 2, same guys, no change. This is 3, right? Give index number 3. Before 3 means 0, 1, 2. No change. Same come as it is. At 0, what is there? 10. At 1, what is there? 50. At 2, what is there? 20. Now at 3, I want to insert true. After then, remaining again same. 30, 40 like this. Again same guys. You can observe now. Print of LST. You can see now. The true inserted between 20, 30. 20, 30 like this. This is the way how to insert a specific element at required place. Now let me try inserting multiple elements, guys. Inserting multiple elements. Insert of at a 0 position. 0 means in the beginning, right? At 0 position, I want to insert A, B, C like this. At 0 position, I want to insert this multiple I am giving now. Again, it will throw error. Why? Insert function takes only 2 arguments only. Only 2 arguments only. The first one represents index number. The second one is the new element to add. Okay, but I am giving how many? 4. It will give error now. You can see now. Insert expected only 2 arguments. But how many given here? Got 4 arguments. Okay, then what do I do? This is all I make as one element now. That all I make as one argument by taking the square brackets. In that case, it will add as sublist, guys. It add as sublist. So print of list, you can see now it add as a sublist. See now at 0 place. 0 means what? Beginning, right? At the beginning place, a sublist added here. Sublist added. So this is what here insert function, guys. Insert function. Now all of let me know, guys. Everybody's clear now, right? All of let me know. Everybody's clear. This one. So append, extend, insert. Next one, remove pop. Remove is there, guys. What is the remove? Remove and pop, right? Remove and pop. So both are mainly for deleting the elements only, guys, right? So this is what to delete. Delete, okay, an element by using its name. Its name, element name, okay. And this is what to delete element by using its index number, guys. It's an index number of name. Index number, guys. So suppose I am giving a remove of 10. 10 is the element name. The 10 will remove. For 10 what index number, that number I specify here, right? So to delete here also only one element, guys. Okay, only one element. Here also only one. At a time only one can be deleted and not multiple here. Let me try. Allah remember, remove function means it removes element by using its name. Pop means by using its index number, guys. It's index number, right? Index number, right? Let us try now. Let us try here. So we'll take the list. Suppose 10, 20, something like that. I am taking the duplicates also. I'm taking now duplicates also like this, right? List to dot remove. Remove means we give the element name. Element name means 10 is the element name, 20 is the element name. Means we have to give the elements, guys. I am giving 10, for example. I am giving 10. When I give the 10, it does not remove all the 10s. Does not remove all the 10s. Suppose if 10s are there 4 times, if 10s are there 20 times, it removes only first occurrence only. It removes only first occurrence, not the all 10s. No. Only first 10 will remove, guys. Only first 10 will remove. You can see now. So print of LST, print of list. See, only first 10 removed. Remaining all are there. 20, 30, 10, 20, 30, true. Same as it is there. Right? Means the remove function allows only one argument. Only one argument means one element. If element is available, if element is available, it remove the element. It remove the element. For example, if element is not available, then how, sir? List to dot remove of I am giving 100. I am giving 100. 100 is there here, all of you? The remaining list 100 is there? No, not there. 100 is not there. If 100 is not there, then what does it do? It will return error. That is called value error. List dot remove of x. List dot remove of x. X means what? 100. X not in the list. Means whatever x you are giving, that is not in the list. Which error came here? Value error. So all of you observe, remove function allows only one argument. Only one argument. Means one element. If that element is available in the list, removes. If element is not available in the list, then what comes here? Value error come. So we have seen two possibilities, guys, here. As first possibility, if element is available. Next, if element is not available. If element is not available. Okay. Next one, if I give multiple elements, then how? Remove of, I am giving, suppose 10, comma 20. I want to remove these two at a time, 10, 20. I am giving 10, 20. This is third case. What's first case? If element is available, it removes. If element is not available, it returns value error. If multiple elements are given, if multiple elements are given, if multiple elements are given, all of you, then observe here, what does it do? Then the type error. Why? List dot remove takes only one argument, but how many given here? Two are given. Two are given. All of you are following me, guys? Now you have seen three cases. What's first case? If element is available, remove that element. If element is not available, give the value error. If you give multiple elements, then type error. Okay. The last one is listed data remove of that's all. I'm not giving any argument, guys, here. Not giving any argument. You don't give any argument. See, it's saying very clearly here. What's saying now? Remove takes exactly one argument. Exactly one argument. But here, at least one also not given, right? So it gives same error again. Gives same error. Same see now. Remove takes exact one argument. But how many given here? Zero given. Zero means no arguments are given here. These are the four cases, guys. All of you want to clearly. That's first one. So remove function takes exactly only one argument. Only one argument means one element. That's first point. If the argument is available, the element is available, remove from the list. If the argument is not available, then it gives which error? Value error. If you give more arguments, means more than one argument, then type error. If you give less than one argument, again type error. Again, type error. But in all the cases, we're giving the elements names. We're giving elements names. Elements names. That is what remove function. These four cases we will see again. We will see again by using a pop, guys. By using a pop function. What's the four cases here? If element is available, if element is not available, if multiple elements are given, if no element is given. Okay. These four cases we will see by using a pop also. So list of 4, 10, 20, 30 like this. Right. List to data pop off. In case of remove, we give the element names, right? 10, 20 element names. But here we give the index number of the element. I want to remove 10. For 10 index number, what here? 0. If I give 0, at 0, what is there? 10 is there. 10 will remove now. The 10 will remove. And also 10 will return. 10 will display also. See, the pop function has only one argument. That also index number of the element. Index number of the element. Index number means we'll check whether the index number is within the range or out of range. I have given the 0 within the range only. In the range only. So corresponding limit removed. Suppose I am giving index number 15 now. Index number 15 I am giving here. So 15 means out of range, right? Index number out of range. Okay, so in the case of pop, we'll see whether the index number is within the range or out of range. In case of remove function, we'll see whether the element is available or not. In case of remove, element is available or not. In case of pop, the index number is within the range or out of range, right? Now we can check once here. Print of what now? Print of list. Print of, see now 10 is not there. The 10 is removed, right? I am giving one more ls dot pop off. I am giving index number 9. Index number 0 within the range only. Remove specific element, corresponding element. Index number 9 I am giving now. 9 means index number 9 means what here? See, suppose this is 0. This is 0, right? This is what here? 1. This is the 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5, right? 5. And this is what here? 6. How much I am giving now? 9. 9 is giving. It is out of range, right? 9 is out of range. That's why you can see what error will come now. See, pop index out of range. We're giving the 9. 9 is out of range. Okay. So now two cases. What's first case? If the index number is within the range, remove the corresponding element. If index number is out of range, error, index error. What is third case? Giving multiple, right? Hellastic dot pop off. I am giving index number 1, 2, 3. Index number 1 means what now? This is 0 right now. This is 0. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. I am giving 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 means I want to remove 30, 40, 10, 20 at a time. Again, error. Pop expected at most one argument, but got 3. All of you see previous case, it's saying exactly 1. Exactly 1 means only one argument required, exactly 1. Not more than 1, not less than 1. That is meaning of exactly 1. All of right. See, exactly 1 means what? Exactly 1 means not more than 1, not less than 1. But now it's showing at most 1. At most 1 means 1 or below 1 only, not more than 1. All of you, right or wrong, guys? At most 1 means maximum 1 or below 1. Below 1 means what? 0. 0 means it allows 0 arguments, I think, right? All of you observe now. So 0. Now 0 arguments. Means the pop expected at most 1. At most 1 means one argument or 0 arguments here. 0 means if you don't specify any index number, that's point now. If you don't give any index number, see in case of remove, if you don't give any element name, what happened there? Type error came. But now in case of pop, if you don't give any index number by default, in the list, the last one will remove, guys. By default, from the list, the last element will remove. The last element will remove. What last one? True remove. All of you. In case of list, empty pop removes the last element from the list. Oh, what is the remaining list now? Observe here. The remaining list is see. Now what's the last one? 40. Again, I take the empty list now. Empty pop. Again, what happened here? The last one removed. Right? Now check once print of list like this. Now remaining. So like that, empty pop removes what? The last element from the existing list, guys. The last one from the existing list. This is what here about the pop. Now the difference between remove and pop, guys. So remove function, remove the elements by using its name. Pop, remove the elements by using its index number. It's a index number. Index number. Okay. In case of remove, if element is available, see remove alpha. If element is available, it remove. If element is not available, then it give the error. Which error? Value error, right? Think value error. Okay, if element is available, remove that element. If element is not available, value error. In case of pop, if index number is within the range, remove corresponding element. If index number out of range, then display index error. Which error? Index error. And remove allows exactly one argument. Exactly one means not above one, not below one. That's meaning of exactly one. But pop allows at most one argument. Pop allows at most one argument means it allows either one or zero arguments. So allows one argument or zero. At most means maximum one. Means one, if you give the one, if you give an element, it remove corresponding element. If you give zero arguments means no arguments, then it removes the last one from the list, guys. Last from the list. That's what remove under pop function. Next, clear function. Which one? Clear function is there. So it is used to clear all the elements, elements from list, all the elements from list, guys. Yes, sir. So it removes all the elements now. Suppose I'll take one list here, something LST equal to, okay, LST equal to, then print, sorry. Okay, let me print here, print of list as list is there. Listed dot clear, listed dot clear. Now it remove all the elements now. It remove all the elements and then only empty list is there now. Only list is there, but not the elements. What is there now? Empty list is there. Laughing, right? So these three for adding the elements, these three for removing the elements. As okay, right? So here in the list, adding elements possible, adding elements possible, and deleting elements also possible. That's why list is called what here? Mutable object, guys. List is what a mutable object. Why? List allows adding the elements and allows remove the elements. So it's called what here? Mutable object. Mutable object. And one more thing, the list I'll have observed here. So item assignment is there. Item assignment, item deletion is there. Item assignment, item deletion, guys. What does it meaning? So item assignment means suppose one list is there, here. Suppose 10, 20, 30 for like this. Now list of 0 is what now? List of 0 means what? General 10. The 10 now is assigned by replaced by I'm giving 100. Then we can observe now print of list. Sorry. So print of right, print of list you can see now. List of 0 means 10. That 10 is assigned by what here? 100. Means now 10 is replaced by 100 here. This is called item assignment, guys. And item deletion means see, suppose list of 0 is what generally? List of 0 is 10, right? The 10 I can remove by using del keyword. Del keyword. And this is called item deletion. This is called the item deletion, guys. The 10 deleted, right? So list is immutable objects, right? That's why it supports item assignment, item deletion. Because list is a immutable object. String is immutable, right? String is immutable. It does not support which one? This item assignment, item deletion, guys. You can observe now the string, right? Okay. Suppose I take the string, something Python like this. Now st of 0, what is 0? P. That P I want replaced by X like this. No, not possible. Why? String object does not support what? Item assignment. What is the reason? String is immutable object, right? Next one, st equal to, I'll take same Python here, Python. Then, so st of 0 is what again? P, that I'm going to delete by using delete keyword. Again, not possible because string is immutable. String does not support what? Item deletion. So item assignment, item deletion, both are not supporting in the string because string is immutable object. These two supporting in the list, while list is the immutable object. Item assignment, item deletion, it supports in the list. That's why list is called what? Mutable object. Mutable object. Now, all of you guys should clear this one. These are the some of the list functions, guys. Some of the list functions. Still, any all like some functions are there that we see in the next tuple concept, guys. All of you. Okay, some more functions are there which are common to list and tuple that we see in the tuple topic. Right? All of you could skill this one.